Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an unfiltered structural audit of Notion, examining whether this infinite digital canvas remains the ultimate undisputed king of modular workspaces or a bloated, sluggish database trap that overcomplicates your daily productivity. Moving past basic text layout boxes, Notion operates as a fully programmable relational ecosystem that lets you seamlessly link custom databases, interactive calendars, and asset Kanban boards onto a single collaborative timeline. The absolute mechanical triumph of this setup is its newly upgraded Notion AI Q&A layer, which functions as an advanced internal neural search engine, allowing you to instantly parse through thousands of historical documents, wikis, and team project trackers to extract specific data points or generate full meeting summaries in less than 3 seconds. This is paired with powerful automated database formulas and highly flexible custom template systems that let developers build completely personalized project cockpits tailored precisely to their team's exact operating workflow. However, digging beneath this beautiful custom surface exposes rigid performance bottlenecks and steep learning curves that draw sharp criticism across programming subreddits. The single most prominent hurdle is the platform's heavy reliance on stable cloud servers, meaning if you frequently work offline or attempt to load massive databases with thousands of multi-layered subpages on mobile apps, the interface suffers from frustrating rendering lag and slow startup times that break your immediate typing momentum. This operational friction is further compounded by their aggressive software tiering layout, which locks advanced team workspace permissions, extensive page history archives, and deep security integrations behind expensive monthly per-seat enterprise upgrades. Ultimately, if you are a startup founder, solo digital creator, or project manager who demands absolute design freedom, centralized document wikis, and deep relational database power, the incredible flexibility offers an unassailable infrastructure advantage. But if you require a lightning-fast, simple offline notes app, weigh these complex setup requirements carefully against your daily speed needs. Track your team's specific document volume, test their updated native database automations, and leverage this modular block engine to organize your workspace today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.